we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi iqembu lakhe selikulungele ukuya okhethweni loorhulumente basekhaya. uMalema ugcwalise iSasol Arena namhlanje eAtteridgeville lapho etshele amalungu e-EFF ukuthi akahambe eyokhankasela leli qembu ukuze lizokwazi ukuwina amawadi.
We are not scared. Ramaphosa, you want elections? Bring them now. Even if you can bring them tomorrow, even if you can bring them tonight, we will defeat the ANC in Tshwane, we'll defeat the ANC in Joburg, we'll defeat the ANC in Iqhuleni, because we are not scared.
Lokho yasungulwa iEFF ibingakaze ngisho iwine iwadi elilodwa. uMalema uthi lokhu kumele kushintshe kulonyaka.
You must know, or our PR list. What councillors only. We are not doing PR list. We want ward candidates only. But babatlo banko PR ya EFF ke batla bemba luzitse di ward tsa bona batlo tsena kwa PR ka re ke mang di nomoro tsa di beng hodimo. The more numbers you get, the higher chance you get of going to council.
iEFF igaqela ukuphatha umasipala waseTshwane.
Low hanging fruit. Tshwane is available for you, EFF. Stop playing with opportunities. You are losing the simplest things. This municipality belongs to you. Let's go and take over this municipality and give it back to Abu Gogo.
Umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthi abantu abaningi baseNingizimu Afrika abakayizwa inzuzo yenkululeko.
Can we really say people are free in South Africa? People may have tasted freedom, but they have not seen the benefits of it, particularly economic freedom. 30 million people living in poverty, 42% of our citizens don't have the dignity of a job. And are our women in South Africa free?
It's unfortunate that the majority of our people are still languishing in poverty, joblessness, and lack of service delivery. It is unfortunate that the majority of young people are loitering the streets looking for jobs 27 years later. It is so unfortunate that electricity, water, and sanitation is still accessed by the few of our people, whereas thousands and millions of our people have no access to housing, clean running water, and other services.
Inhlupheko, ungalingani kanye nokungabi khona kwamathuba omsebenzi kudla lubi endlini entsundu. Ngingosamkele Maseko, ngibikele indaba zase SABC ngise Atteridgeville eTshwane.